What's up everyone, Sridhar the Warrior here. In this video, we are going to show you how to prepare for snow. Today it's almost January 19th, 2025 and in our region we're expecting snowstorm ready to get hit in about 1 hour. So it's gonna start around 11 o'clock to all the way 10 p.m. So I thought, why don't I go ahead and take a video for folks who never seen the storm or about to hit the storm and don't know what to prep. They're very simple, basic things. You need to just gear it up and get set go. For that, what do we need? Let's go check it out. If you're watching my channel first time, I do appreciate checking out my page and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and family so that every time I do the new video, you'll get that notification instantly. Thank you. Jay, say hi.
Hi.
Where are you going? Come back. Here you guys can see my little champ is jumping on my car carrier and waiting for snow to start. Haha. So here I geared up, pretty much get set ready for the snow. Obviously, snow's not here yet. So meanwhile, I thought, why don't I go ahead and take this video to show you all this prep and a couple of tools to required to finish the job. So let's go. So here's my snow jacket. It's puffy and has almost 50 gram the insulation. People normally use this on skiing, but I really like it whenever I clean the snow or whenever I go out. It's blocked the wind, it's waterproof, windproof, and it's really made for its work. So that's the jacket I have. Here are the leather gloves. Here are the cotton gloves. I wear these in the hand, and then later I wear these insulated one so that anytime snow or water does not get through, so I have double protection. Then I have the wool socks, the cotton hat, and the headband. Now this headband is, I found this in Home Depot. It's made out of fleece and it's really help you out. As soon as your body traction gets going, your ears get super warm and hot in less than a couple of minutes. Then next one I have one of these insulated shoes. It's okay, regular construction man shoes, or cover your feet completely without any water or snow get through. It's gonna be fine as well. Make sure you don't want to use any sneakers, because sneakers you might gonna slip in the snow and you might gonna get hurt. So keep in mind, always wear the protective shoes. All right. So that's as far as the gear. The tools I'm gonna use, I have this basic broom and scraper. The one side you can scrape the window, and the other side you can remove the snow. This is one of the oldest one. I still have it, so I thought it's handy to show as a demonstrative purposes. But lately I'm not using these brushes. I'm just using the scraper. But one of the biggest thing I like is the broom. Obviously, every household you're gonna have broom. So that broom, as soon as I have fresh snow comes there on the car, it comes so handy. Just go ahead and grab any broom and start moving the snow. It's gonna be 10 times faster than these brushes. But obviously, if you don't have broom, use those car brushes. The bulldozer, biggest broom here, that also comes handy if you have heavy snow. Just get that papito and start cleaning the snow on the car right away. Next one I have here, the Sanjo basic snow shovel, but it does have this flapper hand, and it does come handy so that you will not kill your back, and it's super light. The other one is heavy duty True Temper, the snow shovel, but that's really heavy. People who have a back problem obviously do not use that because it's super heavy, but it's made super sturdy. This one is super light, but it comes handy, but it does not do the job when you have heavy snow. So that's more for a light snow, that's more for a heavy snow. And I already showed you what I have. The snow blower comes handy. So but not least, I went ahead and bought this $5 ice melt. What it is, it's not just a regular salt, it's a salt, but it does have some chemical that helps to prevent refreeze, and also it start melting the ice immediately. And there are chances when you use this before snowstorm, it helps to get the traction on the sidewalks without getting any slippery or hurt anyone on the sidewalk. So it does help very well, but I don't really use it when you have 2-3 inches snow. I really use it this when we have heavy snow. Basic tools what you need to prep before your snowstorm comes, and I really use the snowblower when absolutely necessary, such as when you have snowstorm below 5 to 6 inches, you don't really need snowblower. But if you have snow coming in a feet, like 2, 3, 4 feet, 5 feet, obviously you're gonna need the tune up your snowblower, load up the gas, and get set to go. So that's the snowblower. I have a Toro 3-stage, and it really comes handy for the last couple of years. And that's it. This is the snowblower I wanted to show you. This is the Toro 3-stage snowblower I bought years ago in Home Depot. Never used it because we never had a snow in the feet after 2016. Here's another pro tip. Before snowstorm comes, go ahead and wide open your windshield wiper all the way up. That way they won't get stuck towards the windshield, the front and back. And once the snowstorm finish, you can put them back. So that way you're set sail to go. Looks like snow is about to start. Here we go. This is where I was playing with the temperature gun. Inside the home, almost 69 to 70 degree, and outside, as you can see, is getting 37 Fahrenheit, and later it's gonna drop down in the night. Obviously, you guys can see here clearly, porch is 27 degree, and then the driveway is gonna be deep down, which is almost 23 degree Fahrenheit, which is cold. Come on now, haha. Obviously, I do wanted to show you folks who don't understand Fahrenheit. Here's the 23 degree Fahrenheit is in Celsius. So this is how you bundle up to clean the snow. Now get set go. I'm already ready. I prep Jay. Finally Madhu is also on the board, because every time I tell you guys, right, Madhu and baby always inside stuck. This time baby asleep, so we got perfect opportunity to get Madhu on the board as well on this video. So it's gonna be more fun. It will be me, baby bird Jay, and his mama Madhu.
Hey,
are you guys ready?
Yay!
Yay! Jay, are you having fun?
Yay!
Yeah?
No, not there, Baba. Come here.
Jay, are you having fun? Come here.
Jay, come
Right here. Look.
Jay, 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 come here. Come here. Hi, Jay. Jay, your डोळे झाकून घे.
Jay, you like it? Look, look. Woo. 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 Yay! Yay!
नको नको त्याच्या अंगावर.
Foremost, we're gonna go jump on a car and get the car clean, and then later look at the wind.
डोळे गेले बघा.
It's crazy. Hi Jay, let's go clean up. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. बाळा, इकडे इकडे इकडे.
For me, work, work for me, work the body for me, what, work it, get down,
Not yet. Just wait. Guys. We're gonna clean the car. First, we're gonna work on a car. Here, give this to Jay. This is for you.
Jay, गाडी गाडी काम काम करायचं. हे दे.
Alright, guys, let's go work.
जय जा.
Jay, are you helping? Yay!
मजा येते स्नो क्लीन करायला.
Yeah.
थंडी पण वाजती आहे पण. आणि जय सगळ्यात जास्त मजा घेतोय जय.
Jay, are you having fun? Yeah? Jay, you having fun? Yay! Okay.
for me, work, work for me, work the body for me, what, work it, get down, 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 get down,
As you guys can clearly see what I told you earlier, compared to usual broom, the bulldozer,
Yeah.
construction man broom, get the job done less than a minute. That's what I like about
It
this.
takes times.
But if you don't have it, this professional broom, the longer one, which is 3 feet, you wound up gonna using these 6 inches broom, and that's gonna take a little bit of time. But again, if you don't have it, what do you want to need to have it? This guy. But again, it's a manual labor. You're gonna spend a good 10 to 15 minutes freezing your butt, cleaning just like this. So that's what I prefer, this dozer. This one. Jay, are you having fun? Yay! 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 Say hi. Hi. Woo! Woo! Come here, Madhu. Come here. Here. Woo! 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 Woo!
Let's go. Let's go clean.
They come here! Yay! Yay! Right there, Jay! Yay! Yes! That's my boy! We're done with the car now.
Yeah.
Let's jump on the driveway, guys. Let's go. Jay, you ready?
दुसरं देते तिकडे.
So I'm gonna use the heavy duty shovel, the metal one. I gave Madhu the smaller.
हे घे बघ.
And Jaybird got a
Record.
rake. So it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. Let's go, Jay. You take that side out. I got this one, okay?
तर आता शवल घेतलेत आणि त्याच्यासोबत क्लीन करतोय आता आम्ही.
For me, work, body for me, what? Work it. Get down, 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 work it.
All right, Jay, let's go. Let's go, Jay.
For me, work for me, work the body for me, work it. Get down, 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 get down. For me, work for me, work the body for me, work.
Well. I already sent Jay's mom and Jay in the house. It got freezing, really freezing right now. So it's just me. We're almost done.
Get down, 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 get down.
Dropped it.
this is how I finished the sidewalk, and obviously Madhu helped me out here to clean up the driveway, including the neighbor's driveway as well. Here, where earlier I thrown some rock salt and that treated that area, so we got a little traction right here. Hard to see in the night, but it's a salt plus the black, look like almost like a tar or the stone, as you can see, but it's a traction that you won't fall or slip through the snow. So it always helps for the front porch and this sidewalk. And then here I spent extra little bit time to clean up as well, so that tomorrow I don't have to do anything. And then last but not least, I came all the way here, cleaned the rear porch and the pathway as well. And that's it. Everything else here is just gonna cover because the grass, I care less. Here we go. This is how the township guys shows up with their plow. From the front, the plower, and the rear is the salt circular. That's where they throw the salt, the same salt I use on my pathway. So it helps for the road traction as well, so that no cars can slip through. Pretty neat, ain't it?
For me, work, body for me, what, work it. Get down, 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 get down.
This is it, guys. This is how I prepped the snow cleanup day, and I already cleaned up less than 45 minutes. Obviously including help from the Jay and Madhu. So greatly appreciated. Thank you again for watching my channel. I hope you enjoy your rest of the day. Do share this video, hit that like icon, and subscribe with your friends and family. Shri the Real Warrior here. Until next video. Bye now.